Hello everyone, welcome back to Long Branch Homestead. Today I've got my Ford 861 Powermaster out here, and I thought I'd just go over the basic starting and operating functions of this tractor. So starting off, I guess, just with the 861, the numbers here. The 8 meaning it's a four-wheel utility tractor with an adjustable front axle. That's all that really means. With the 6 means it's a 5-speed transmission with a 3-point hitch and a live PTO. And the 1 means it was built between 1958 and 1962. Okay, some of the starting features here is here's the key for the starting ignition. Working our way back here, we have the shifter lever. It's got 3 levels, and I'll explain that to you in a little bit here. Down here we have the clutch pedal. Back here on the right side we have the PTO lever, your hydraulic fluid check, the 2 front light switch right here. I'll show you the lights when they're on. That's the light switch, just a toggle. Okay, this is the gas shut off right here. We'll normally turn that off here in the wintertime when I'm not using the tractor a whole lot. But in the summertime, we'll just leave it on. Right here we have the dipstick for our crankcase. Here's an 8-volt battery that was in it when we bought the tractor. We haven't felt the need to change it out or anything. I know a lot of people go to the 12-volt conversion, but yeah, we haven't felt the need to do so. Over here we have our 2 brake pedals. This is our lift control lever. On their back here, we have here's the parking brake, our leveling handle right here, our 2 lift arms, drawbar right here, crossbar right here, our hydraulic hookups. Moving around. And I'll jump on the tractor real quick, show you the diagram. Okay, this is the diagram for the 5-speed transmission. As you can see, the DN meaning down on the left side and up on the right side, and then you have your middle position. So on the left side you have the 4th and 5th gear, which means you push the shift lever all the way down and forward to the front of the tractor for 4th gear, and then back for 5th gear. For your 2 middle gears, your 1st and 2nd gear, you would have to find that middle gear and push the lever forward for 2nd gear and back towards me for the 1st gear. And then you have the 3rd gear, which means you'd have to be all the way up and push forward and all the way back for your reverse. So it's pretty much self-explanatory, I guess. And then you have this here. This is your choke, your starter button. We'll move up here to your instrument panel. This is your indicator light for when you turn the key on. It goes on and off, let you know you have charge. And then you have your fuel gauge, your oil pressure gauge, your temperature gauge, and then your tachometer right there. So if you can see it, the hours meter's a little off, but I'm not going to complain. And then you have your throttle arm right here, your throttle lever. So all right, that's the instrument panel and the diagram for this tractor. So all you need to do to start this tractor is pop the key on, pull the choke, power button. have it. 1958 Ford 861 Powermaster, the starting and operating of this tractor. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And you all have a great day. Bye now.